Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down.
Alright, I'm back with another video, guys. Today I'm showing y'all the Pioneer AVH 4600BT. It's a older double dinging. It's one of the mixed track series. It's an older one. Well, I want to know what you think. Is the old one still as good as the new ones? So I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of the features. Of course, this is one with the CD player. Some people still like the CD player. Let's see. It's the fold down. Of course, you can still put CDs in it. It has the it's like an auto EQ mic. I'm not really sure what that does. It's right there. But anyway, man, as y'all can see right there, you got your source, your volume, your mute, of course your mode right here. It'll turn the display off for some reason, but you got the radio disc, USB, iPod, Pandora, Bluetooth, auxiliary audio video, like for your backup camera, or you may want to watch DVDs or hook an external up to it, or transfer like video signal. Rear view camera, of course you can do that. That's how you get back out of it. And of course you can see your system, your auxiliary inputs, right here, both of those. I'm just gonna go there for y'all. You all can see what all it does have on. Like I said, it's an older model. I'm sure like some of y'all may have some of the newer ones. So I have a software update, it says. I'll probably have to check into that. Well, I ain't gonna do that right now in the video, but anyway, because it may take a little while. But let's go ahead and go right here and where are the settings at? Of course, you can go to everything you want to use here. Okay, all your EQ settings. It actually has the subwoofer control. As you can see, you can turn it on and off. You can turn the level up and down. I go to a lot of bass shows, and a lot of the guys, they kind of fool around with this a lot. I guess they want to make it a little bit louder or whatnot. So I see them doing this right here. So you know, I don't know, but I don't usually mess with mine or nothing like that. I got an EQ anyway, but I got a little different setup. So I see a lot of guys do that, and of course, if that's something you need, you can pick up this older one. Maybe you can find it somewhere. I actually looked up on this, and I think I bought it for like $50 or something like that, or maybe $100. I don't know, but I actually bought one of the new ones at Best Buy. I'm gonna do a video on that one. But the thing about that I didn't like about that one is the warranty. I don't know, some reason something went out on the CD player. I ended up having to take it back to Best Buy, and they took forever to fix it, like months. Then they finally put all new parts in it and sent it back to me. So I mean, it's perfect now. It's back in the box like brand new. I don't even use it. But anyway, man, I may do a giveaway. I don't know really yet on that, but I may do that. But let's finish going back through the settings here. Of course, you got your fading and your balance, graphic EQ, your auto EQ, sonic center control, loudness, and your subwoofer, bass booster, high pass filter. Of course, you got a bunch of little features there. So if that's something that you really need to mess with, that'll be great for you. Like I said, this truck doesn't even have a system in it yet. It has like a portion of the system, like the back wall part, and I hadn't got around to the rest of that yet. But I'm kind of spread it out between 3 different vehicles, so I'm trying to figure out which way to go. But as you can see, it's real simple. Doesn't have a ton of new features in it like some of the older ones. I mean the newer ones. But if this is something, of course, you can change your track, and like I say, you can tilt the screen as much as you want. You see that's that's a pretty nice little feature or whatnot. But like I say, man, that's something you're interested in. If you're looking at buying an older Pioneer, I think it's just as good as the new ones. To me, it is, because it still has decent sound quality. To me, it does. Like I said, I don't know everything or nothing like that, but it sounds decent to me. So, all right, let's go to Bluetooth. Alright guys, what I'm going to do here, we're going to see how loud the volume goes up to. Because sometimes that's a big thing for people. I was going to play it, but I don't want to make it just extra loud in everybody's ear. It goes up to 40. Like I say, it's pretty good. Yeah, man, like I said, I'm just giving y'all a little video, man, just to keep y'all updated or whatnot, because I know some people are always in the market for CD players, and some of the older ones you can't find videos on or updated videos. So like I said, that's the product number, the AVH X4600BT. So they're the mixed track series. So if that's something you're looking for, it's an older one. I got another video with the Walmart budget dual double din as well. Be sure to check that out. Be sure to like and subscribe, guys, and if you support the channel, use the links down below. If you're looking for car audio, be sure to shop there and use the code BWK or BASSWITHKEV and save on your next purchase or whatnot if you support the channel. I should appreciate y'all for tuning in. I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one.